students, good morning. Today we will start with your 14th chapter, more verbs. We have completed till 13th chapter, am, is, are, was, were. Yes, so we will discuss about more verbs like has, have, had, again do, does, did. These are also verbs. Okay, first let us discuss about has, have, had. Okay, so the verbs has, have, had shows ownership or what? Relationship also. Means it shows possession. So you just tick mark, it is given in your book. What do the words has, have, had show? Tick the correct answer. So it is given action, belonging and ownership tell us something about a person or a thing. So you will tick mark where belonging and ownership, which belongs to us, it tells us about that. Okay. So, like you got when I was explaining about am, is, are, was, were, we use am, is, are in case of present tense and we use was, were in case of past tense. So, in the same way, has and have are used when we talk about the present time. Understood? We used to speak about the present time, but we use had in case of past. Okay, that already happened. So look, you have to know the rules like earlier also. For present, like you got earlier, in case of these verbs I am telling, okay, with I you will use have. You need to learn these rules. Otherwise you will not be able to do the exercises. With I we use have. Okay, next with you also we use have. With he, we use has. She, we use has. It, we use has. We use what? Have. With they, we use have. This is in case of present. Okay. Look. If it will be written he, then you will use what? Has. She has. It has. But sometimes in place of the pronoun, it can be given what? The noun also, like Ram, one boy, one girl, one thing. Then also you have to use what? Has. Okay. Next for past, what you will use? For past, it will be same. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, they had. So, in case of past tense, we will use had. There will be no changes. We will use had in all the pronouns. Okay. But here with he, she, it, we will use what? Has. Okay. You need to remember these rules. So, we will be talking about do, does, did in the next class. Today, we will do the exercises related to has, have, had. Now take out page number 68. There is a conversation. You have to use has, have, had. Okay. Fill in the blanks with has, have, had to complete this conversation between Sona and her brother Vavish. Look, I wish I could have. With I we use what? Have. Yes, I could have. A new storybook says Sona. I want a set like Prachis. She, with she what we use? Has. Yes, has. A beautiful set of fairy tales, she declared. In this way, you will read this conversation and you will put the correct one. Now, question number A, page number 69. I have not written the full sentences. It is there in your book. Okay. A number, fill in the blanks with has, have or had correctly. So, you have to use the correct one. Okay. Correct verb. So, number 1, I dash a pet hamster. So, with I, what we use? Have. Yes, I have a pet hamster. Next, number 2, they dash a very big garden. So, with they, what we use? In case of present, we use have. So, it will be they have a what? Very big garden. Next, number 3, my aunt. My aunt, only one aunt. So, we can consider it as what? She. So, with my aunt, we will use what? Has. My aunt has what? A very big garden. Here, we have used have because it is they. Here, only one person. So, we have used has. Number 4. We dash a blue car last year. We sold it. We used what? Have. But it is written in the question that we dash a blue car. So what is written? A blue car last year. That means in the past, not now. Last year we had a what? Blue car. So we will use what? Had. Okay. So you have to see either it is in past tense or present. Okay. Now number 5. Our neighbors dash a farmhouse in Goa. So our neighbors, plural. Yes. So you will use what? Have. Okay. Our neighbors have. Next, number 6. The Kumars dash a big car when they were in Pune. So the Kumars, a big car. When they had a big car, when they were where? In Pune. So it is not now. It is in the past. Yes, so you have to use had. In this way, 7, 8, you try it by yourself. Now take out page number 70, B number. Choose the correct options and complete these passages. Okay, I have not written the full passage. It is still here. Okay, the remaining one will be done by you. Okay, that is why. See, this is Pancho. He has had 2 horns. He, with he what we use? Has or had. Had is used for what? Past. But it is not mentioned anything that it is it happened in the past. No, it has. Okay, it is the characteristic of what? Pancho. So it will be has. Next, he has or have 2 large nostrils. So it will also be has. Okay, with he we use has. And 2 small eyes, all bulls. So we are talking at the time only about whom? Pancho, 1 bull. Now we are talking about all the bulls. So it will be what? Have. Okay. This is plural. That is why. Have eyes and nostrils like Pancho. But Pancho is angry. Why? His eyes, what? His eyes have a glitter in them. Eyes. Okay. Both eyes. So we have to use what? His eyes have. Okay. And the remaining one, it is there. So you will do it. Okay. You will tick mark it in your book. Alright. Now, question number C. Tick the correct option for each sentence. Number 1. Mamta has had a terrible cold last week. Last week. So from here you can understand that it is what? Past. It already happened. Yes. So you have to use what? Had. Okay. So just tick mark. Next, number 2. I have had dance class on Monday. So you have what? Class on Monday. So with I what we use? Have. So have will be the correct one. Number 3. Anupam and Sanjay. There are 2 persons. Okay. Not 1. Anupam and Sanjay. That means we can consider them as what? They. So with they what we use? Has, have, had, school tomorrow. So with they we will use what? Have. So tomorrow means what? That is not in the past. It will happen in the future. So you have to use what? Have. Next, number 4. The butterfly have had beautiful wings. Butterfly, 1 butterfly. So you have to use what? Has. Number 5. I have had no time to watch television now. Now in the present time. With I what we use? Have. Okay. Now number 6. I have had a toy aeroplane when I was young. When I was young, not now. Now I am grown up. When I was young, okay, then only I had a what? Toy aeroplane. So you have to use what? Had. The case of what? Past, we will use what? Had. And if it is occurring now, with he, she, it, we will use what? Has. And with the plural one, we will use have. So I hope you have understood. I have done till 6 number, 7, 8 left. So whatever is left, you do it in your book. Alright. Thank you.